Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about the shape tool and how to use shapes in professional designs. So first we create a new page. With these settings right here. First we change the background color. Now right click on the shape tool and I select the ellipse tool to make a circle. I change the color so that I can see the circle. Then I click and drag to make a circle in the middle. From here we can edit the circle color. And from here you edit the circle frame. And if you want, you can hide the frame like this. Now we add an image. We unlock the image layer, then we drag it to the design page. We put the image over the circle, then right click on the image layer, then we select create clip and mask, and the image goes inside the circle. We click here so that we can adjust the image size and position, like this. Now I will add another effect. We go to the circle layer, then right click and we select blend in options, and we go to stroke. We can edit the stroke through these settings right here. We have the size, the position, the blend model, and the opacity, and even the color. And we are done. Take a look at the design. Now we remove this design and we will work on another one. We open a new page with the same settings as the former one. We change the background color. Now to the shape tool and we select the rectangle tool. Then we draw a shape in here. I click and drag until I make a box or a rectangle. I go here to change its color, like this. Then I drag it here and I adjust the box size like this. Now right click on the box layer. Then I select duplicate layer. And I click OK to duplicate the box. Double click on the duplicated box layer. Then I change its color and I adjust its size like this. Now I will add an image right here. I unlock its layer, then I drag it to the design page and I put it right here. Then right click and I select create clip in mask. Then I adjust the image size like this. and its position also. Now I will put all these 3 layers in a folder. I click on the first layer, then I click on Control from the keyboard, and I keep pressing on the Control button while I'm clicking on the rest of the layers like this. Then I click right here. And here we are. If I hide the folder, the whole design goes away. Now right click and we select blend in options. I go to drop shadow and I edit the shadow from here. I choose multiply in here. I keep the opacity at 46, the distance at 13 pixels, spread at 2%, and the size at 35 pixels. And of course I can change it or edit it if I want. I click here. Before that, I need to duplicate the whole folder from here. Right click and duplicate group. Then I do it again, right click and duplicate group, like this. Now I have 3 folders, so I position each image like this. I put the first in here, and the second on top in here. Then I rotate this one a little bit. Then I change these boxes image like this. I choose the image, this one right here. As usual, I unlock its layer, then I drag it to the design page and I put it on top of the layer, on top of the box, sorry. Now I click delete from the keyboard to delete the other image, then right click and create clipping mask to replace the image. I adjust it like this. Now I will rotate this box too, like this. Now I replace the other image as well. I will go with this image right here. So as usual, I unlock its layer, then I drag it to the design page and I put it on top of the box. I delete the former image, then right click and create clipping mask to replace it. I click here, then I adjust the size and the position of the image right here. Now I close the folder and I will rotate this box as well. And here we are. This is the final look of our design. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, just contact me and I will respond to you ASAP. See you in the next video.